What's going on, everybody? This is Drew with Mark's Appliance, and I'm excited for this video. We're gonna be looking at this Maytag MDB8959 dishwasher, and we're gonna be putting it to the test. Maytag came out with a video of it dissolving this chocolate cake with a frozen pizza using this power blast cycle in this machine, as well as the stainless steel 4-chopper blade hard food disposer with the microfiber filter. They call it Dual-Power Filtration in this Maytag. And it's a great model. It's probably one of our most popular selling models. I have the predecessor model to this in my home. And just want to kind of do a little product overview while it dissolves this chocolate cake and frozen pizza. So I'm gonna see if that really does happen. So I'm excited for this one. Let's get to it. All right, I've got my chocolate cake and my frozen pizza in the dishwasher. And you know, we've been having some donuts and some banana bread at the shop recently, so I'm gonna throw some banana bread slices in the top rack. So before I start this cycle, I want to tell you a little bit about some of the features in this machine. First of all, it is a stainless steel tub, stainless steel door that really helps with the drying process. It does have a steam sanitize cycle, so it does steam up in there if you want it to and get pretty hot to kill bacteria. As far as the interior, the best part is the third rack. So on this right side, you do have this utensil holder there. But the best part is a lot of third racks you see are just flat across the top. You know, you can put like Tupperware lids and like kitchen utensils like spatulas in them. But this one is a little more utility oriented. You can put a lot more stuff in here. You can put some mugs right here, some small wine glasses. You can put little plates right here on the left side. And where you see this blue part right here, this is actually a spray arm, so jets do come out of here and maximize the clean on the third rack. So it's a very helpful third rack. This bottom rack, you know, if you're worried about maybe things hitting this third rack up here, you do have an adjustable second rack where you can lower that to fit like bigger bowls and stuff in the second rack. I really want to get into how it dissolves this chocolate cake and frozen pizza. I don't have a camera I can put inside of here, so what I'm going to be doing is stopping like halfway through the cycle and taking a look at it. It's probably going to be disgusting in there, but that's really how I'm going to check how it's progressing. To choose my cycle, it's super easy. I'm gonna just hit the cycles option till I'm where I wanna be, which is at my power blast cycle. So this uses, I'm gonna also put on this high temp, and I'm gonna do just a short heated dry because I don't have any cups. And I'll just hit that start button. It's gonna give me a little countdown, and then I close it up and it's good to go. All right, so this machine's got 30 more minutes left on the cycle, but the chocolate cake got disintegrated almost like an hour in. The pizza has, as of right now, it has just a tiny bit left. So in the end, I imagine it's gonna be gone. The banana bread slices didn't really stand a chance either. And the Maytag dishwasher has passed the test. I was really hoping to catch Whirlpool in a lie, but I couldn't do that. Now, am I happy that this dishwasher, if this was my dishwasher, am I happy that it can destroy a cake? I really don't care. I'm not going to put a cake in a dishwasher or a frozen pizza. Your roommate might, but most people won't. I really just care if it cleans my dishes. And obviously, if it can do that to a cake and a pizza, I think it's going to do a pretty good job. So yeah, I mean, the Dual-Power Filtration is on display. That's really what we're showcasing here. And yeah, this has done a really good job. No doubt, if you've got some caked on your dishes and you put those in this dishwasher, you're gonna end up with some sparkly clean satisfaction. So that's it for the Maytag dishwasher, and we will see you for another video soon.